In our last video, we learned about elapsed time. We learned that elapsed time is the amount of time that passes from the beginning of an activity till the end of the activity. Today we're going to take a look at finding a finishing time or a beginning time if we know how much time has passed. And we're going to use a strategy called breaking apart minutes to help us make times to the hour. Here's an example. Josh started stunting on his bike at 10:55 a.m. He practiced for 25 minutes. What time did he finish? Well, we know the start time. We know that Josh started at 10:55, which is 10 hours and 55 minutes. And we also know how much time went by. We know he practiced for 25 minutes. And what we're trying to find is the end time. Since Joshua practiced for 25 minutes, we can break that 25 minutes up to try to get to 11 o'clock and then add the remaining minutes to 11 o'clock. I know that when I'm at 55 minutes past an hour, I need 5 more minutes to get to the next hour. So I'm going to break 25 up as 5 plus 20. I'll add the 5 minutes to 10:55, which will get me to 11 o'clock. And then I'll add the remaining 20 minutes, which would bring me to 11 hours and 20 minutes, which is 11:20. So Joshua finished at 11:20 a.m., 25 minutes later than 10:55 a.m. Let's take a look at another example. We can also use subtraction. Emily worked on her math homework until 4:18 p.m. She worked for 48 minutes. What time did she start her homework? In this example, we know what time Emily finished. She finished at 4:18. So we would have to count back or subtract 48 minutes to find out what time she started. If it's 18 minutes after 4 and I go back 18 minutes, that will get me to 4 o'clock. So I'm going back to the hour. So I'm breaking 48 minutes up as 18 minutes plus 30 minutes. I'm going back 18 minutes to 4 o'clock, and then I'll go back 30 minutes from 4 o'clock to find Emily's start time. I can't subtract 30 from 0, so I'm going to regroup 4 hours and 0 minutes, which is 4 o'clock, as 3 hours and 60 minutes. I broke one of my hours up as 60 minutes. And then I can take 30 minutes away from 60 minutes. And my result would be the third hour and 30 minutes, which is 3:30. So Emily began her homework at 3:30 p.m. So if we're trying to figure out an ending time, we add. If we're trying to find out a starting time, we subtract. In both examples, we broke up the total amount of elapsed time to get us to the nearest hour, and then we worked from there.